Okay, I'm gonna say something that might mess with your theology, but stay with me. Did you know the Bible actually says God created evil? Isaiah 45:7. God says, I form the light and create darkness. I make peace and create evil. I, the Lord, do all these things. Not Satan, not Adam, God on record. Why would a good God create something so awful? Because contrast reveals beauty. Without darkness, light is just light. God didn't lose control. Evil isn't an accident. It's part of the script, a temporary part, a tool, not a threat. So yes, God created evil, but not to destroy, to contrast love, to highlight light, and to lead us into the jaw-dropping shock of grace. And here's the best part. In the end, it will all be made right, everything restored, everyone healed, and the whole thing ends in a party. To learn more, go to StudyShelf.com. Thanks for listening.